Hatu pidei mapi hajingim jonga Bawon pitgen yaga minsin balanga Hatu pidei mapi hajingim jonga Babin kila yang asya jinglang baba Ai kikti jong pi minta Kasdungan rihok yu pi shirata Oh, wano bait hajan jonga Namar hanga pilong kumbi princess Diana Oh, ai kikti jong pi minta Kasdungan rihok yu pi shirata Oh, wano bait hajan jonga.
Okay, hello everyone, Khasi people, welcome back again. And today we are checking Johnny, guys, having latest music video by the title Princess Diana, guys. So it's gonna be my first time watching his individual music, and I still remember I reacted to one of his collaboration music, guys. So today we are going to see his talent, how he can do alone, guys. So the title really look interesting, and I'm so curious to know more, like Diana, Princess Diana, Johnny, Princess. We are going to check it out. Make sure to subscribe, put on the bell so that you get regular, or you can get our video whenever we post, guys. In case you want to watch my vlogs also, you can check gabsgabitv, guys. That is it. Let's do it. Wow, this is nice intro. Princess Johnny. Johnny Princess, not Princess Johnny. Johnny Princess or Princess Diana. Subtitle is provided, guys, so let's enjoy it.
Hatu pidei mapi hajingim jonga Bawon pitgen yaga minsin balanga Hatu pidei mapi hajingim jonga Babin kila yang asya jinglang baba Ai kikti jong pi minta Kasdungan rihok yu pi shirata Oh, wano bait hajan jonga Namar hanga pilok kumbi Princess Diana Oh, ai kikti jong pi minta Kasdungan rihok yu pi shirata Oh, wano bait hajan jonga Namar hanga pilok kumbi Princess Diana Oh,
I love the beat, guys. The beat is amazing. You know, guys, the first thing, like I feel like I'm listening to Afrobeat or any African music, guys, like Afrobeat, because from the beat only, like this is the best beat I'm listening from Khasi now, guys. This is really amazing, and I just feel good. The beat is so amazing. Like this song, guys, is really perfect. Like it's amazing to be used for party, guys. Like it gives good vibe. I really love the beat, guys. And you saw the intro. I love the intro, and I'll speak more at the end. Just keep watching. There's so many things I love here. Start. So hot here, guys.
Nadu kito kipur kisni Yang pibait ngatrang ngakbilin pi Ngampoi purkat papila de ijonga Siyaw bahaya ngawan ang shed kala Nadu kito kipur kisni Yang pibait ngatrang ngakbilin pi Ngampoi purkat papila de ijonga Siyaw bahaya ngawan ang shed kala Kumujak mat karus Walapun kijing kumking Dada nong sunong penwid rukin nam ting Kumjuru pibat ngagaw Wika jingo Kinya syanya markal yang hadu bako Chingi jong aya pilong kum hadu reo Laya pinar we syawai teng ampat yao Kadang mikis ngijingit kadang jeliu Kum kaneken kajingit kabum laban siyo Hatu pidei mapi hajingim jonga Bawon pitgen yaga minsin balanga Hatu pidei mapi hajingim jonga Babin kila yang asya jinglang baba Ai kikti jong pi minta Kasdungan rihok yu pi shirata Oh, wano bait hajan jonga Namar hanga pilong kumbi Princess Diana Oh, ai kikti jong pi minta Kasdungan rihok yu pi shirata Oh, wano bait hajan jonga Namar hanga pilong kumbi Princess Diana Oh,
I need to see the girl dancing. Yes, do it.
mujak bat karus wala mun ki jing ting da dan nok shun nong pun we gru kin nam ting juru pi bat nga ka we ka jing mo tin ya shan ya mar kaliang ha du ba ko aki ko jong pi menta asdongan rihok ya pi shirata oh wan no ba it ha jan jonga na marang apilong ko mi princess Diana oh.
Wow, Johnny, you made it. You made us proud, Johnny. You made Shillong proud. You made all the Meghalayan proud, guys. It's my first time reacting to Johnny individual music video, as I said before. And honestly, what I love the most here, first thing, the intro, guys. The intro really like something professional. The intro, like how they came in with a black tie and a red cut, and the dress also was matching, and they just look amazing, guys. Are they couple or what? Because they just match it, everything became so super, and they look wow. They just look like a wow. They look beautiful, both of them. And subtitle was provided. Like I read everything how Johnny was explaining, falling and expressing for Diana that when you will be my princess, I will take you to shopping. You all need to give. Princess Diana, all you need to do is give your hand to Johnny. Once he hold your hand, he will give you all the love you want. Forget of shopping and other things. For sure, he will do. Once you give your hand, it will make you enjoy. This is what you can understand like a lovely song, romantic and amazing, guys. I love it. Thank you so much. From Africa, make sure to subscribe, guys. Peace out.